Hello my little gems and welcome back to my channel. So this is part two of me opening my Ladies Diamond Art Club order. Like I said before, they had a 25% off on the website, and I was like, it's silly not to, because I'd been saving up to do myself another Diamond Art Club order. One of the ones I originally tried to get they didn't have, so I went for a different one. So these are the two kits. So I got Couch Dragon and Bittersweet. So yeah, two kits I really did like, both in round drill. So let's open Couch Dragon first and then Bittersweet. I don't think Bittersweet's been out too long either, if I remember rightly. I could be wrong though, please correct me in the old comments. But yeah, I had my eye on Couch Dragon for a while because obviously I like the reading tray and that's been a dream to do. If I can open it. Alright, Viscous. So quickly open these up and have a look and everything, and then, oh, there's the old sticker. And obviously it's by Randall Spangler again. Who doesn't love a bit of Randall Spangler? Those dragons are so stinking cute. And it's very, very hard inside the box. And it's the older toolkit with this one, which is absolutely fine. So obviously the older toolkit, we just get our blue pen, blue grip, clear tray, baggies, and heart waxes, and I'm pretty sure we get a couple of multi-placers. Yeah, I think we just get the 4 multi-placers with this one. So I am glad with the new kits because you now get a 7 multi-placer as well. So I love my 4s and I love the 7. So for me, those two options are ideal. So this is Couch Dragon. And yes, I'm still in my pyjamas because I haven't long got up. So, as like, if you just watch the previous unboxing video, you will see that most of the, squares have the white circle with the symbol inside. They've changed it up to have the colour with a very fine guideline on that last one I looked at. And again, so we've got the dragon sitting on the sofa with a kitty cat sat on the back of the sofa, and he's watching TV and reading a book. Absolutely beautiful diamond painting, and it looked really, really fun. So I thought, you know what, just get that one because it's a fun one. It looked really, really fun. And the size of this one is 89 by 43 centimetres. And again, there should be a couple of ABs in this. I'm not going to pull out all the ABs because everyone knows what Diamond Art Club drill quality is like. They're really nice. I am still yet to do a round, obviously, but by what I've seen online and everything, they do look really, really nice. So here's one of our ABs. We have, what is it? 141. Absolutely gorgeous. And then there should be enough on here somewhere. You do usually get at least 2 ABs. There's bound to be another AB of there. So when I go to do the kit, I will find it out properly. I just don't want to pull them all out because they are a bit of a pain in the bottom trying to get them all back in the bag. So yeah, this is Couch Dragon, and I'll show you a nice close up of the kit. Absolutely gorgeous. just a simple one. And that one does look like it's going to be really, really fun to do. So yeah, like I said, like, always keep an eye out for their discount codes and all that they do, because they do, it's the most I've ever saved. Like, they're doing the old 25% off, and I thought that's too good to be true, like too like good to pass up on. So I was like, I've been saving up to do myself a Diamond Art Club order again. So I was like, just get it, Gem, just get it, because you've been saving up. Do yourself another Diamond Art Club order, and it'll be the best time to get it. It's when you save the most. So yeah. So that is Couch Dragon. And put it back in the box. And then for our last one, we have Bitter Sweet. And I thought she was very, very pretty as well. And again, this is a round drill. This is one, oh, it's one of their older kits, I think. I didn't realise that. That is absolutely fine. So of course we get the same old normal older kit. I have to say, I do like the older kit, the newer kit, a little bit more. They seem to put a little bit more love and care and attention into like the packaging of them and everything as well. And here is our sticker. So we've got 2 older kits and 2 newer kits, which is nice. And here we go. Isn't she gorgeous? So she is a 64 by 51 centimetre. And then we've got all the swirls and everything else. Hopefully the swirls will all be the 8Bs. And it looks like they might be. And it looks like there might be quite a few ABs with this one. So, yeah. So here's one AB. Can't really see because that plastic's in the way. So there is one AB. I'm also going to have some cereal in a minute before I go and get ready for work. Here is another AB. That one. There will be more ABs on this, I reckon. I know there's normally a minimum of 2 in most kits. So I just don't, oh, here you go, there at the side. I just don't want to have to pull a whole lot out of the bag. Call me lazy, I know. I know, but I just see it. None of these ones at the side. I'm seeing things. Never mind, I'll find it, Yeah, there is an AB there. There's another light purple AB as well. So yeah, there are drills. Obviously, I don't want to go pull them out because they are a bit of a pain in the bottom trying to get them all back into the bag. And again, here is the print. And she is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, all round drill this time, which is absolutely fine. Means I can mix it up a little bit because I do still have Crazy Cat Lady to do. So yeah, it means I've still got some squares and some rounds, and obviously I've got Virus Detected as well, which my wonderful friend Karam sent me and everything. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I think she's gonna come out absolutely stunning. I really do. Yeah, so again, this with the other two kits, I slept really rubbish today, so my brain just does not want to function properly. So with the other two kits that I unboxed on a previous video, this whole order came to like £134 something. I managed to keep it under 135 because I was a bit. I know that Diamond Art Club do include their taxes and that to the UK in the pricing and everything, so don't get caught out. But I just didn't want to risk going over that 135, so I thought play it safe, 600 or 134, which I managed to get 4 kits for, which I thought was really good because I did the 25% discount. They had their discount code for 25%, which I thought was a really good bargain. So yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. I'm sorry it's not as I don't think I've done as good a job as I normally do with the unboxings and everything, but I just want to show you guys what I got and everything. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below with what you think of the kits I've received, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.